Welcome to all in one idea exchange. OpenShell. It is a free software you can download from this link. The link is in my description box. You can download. This application is basically for to change the appearance and behavior of your start menu. You can totally change your start menu like this classic Windows 7 or different. If you do not like Windows 10 start menu, you can use this one. I have downloaded. Let's install the application. It will take little time. It's a small application, 6 MB. Just do next, finish. So this is the menu. You can select anything, classic one or Windows 7, and whichever you like you select and press OK. Then it will change the settings in your profile. So like this you can finally get. It is like XP start menu, which is very nice. If you don't like Windows 10 start menu, you can use this free application in your PC. Okay, same like XP or Windows 7. Let's open this PC, my PC. This is as usual same, but we got something here, the corner. You can click on that shell icon so you can get the settings. You can change the setting according to your need. Okay, if you want to go to advanced, you can click show all item, so you can go one by one and check what else is there in that PC. I hope you enjoy this video and see you in the next one. Thank you. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.